The installation for this head unit is really simple. It's pretty much just plug and play and everything works just like that. Here we have the big 12.3-inch display, and that's the head unit itself. We have the reverse camera right here. I probably won't be installing that because I already have a reverse camera, even though that's a lot clearer than the one I have. I believe that's 1080p, but I'm gonna install the new AR front camera. So this is also 1080p. And those are the wires that came with the front camera. I believe the yellow thing just goes plug onto the yellow thing, and the red wire that goes on cam in, and we can leave the other red wire unplugged. I think that should work. And then those are the two USB cables. As you can see now, I already have the old head unit removed. Now let's start the installation. 28 pin. That's the radio antenna, that's the 10 pin, 6 pin, and the final 14 pin. And this is the reverse camera. I believe with the new canvas that came with the harnesses. It's reverse camera in, microphone, the radio antenna, and power connector. And this is the front camera. I'm just gonna quickly connect this one as well. See if it actually turns on. So I've just tidied up all the wires behind the head unit. I have all the screws. I have all the bolts properly bolted in to hold the head unit properly in place. And now we can put on this cover. And now we can have the screen finally properly installed. We just need to plug in the ribbon cable, plug all the excessive wires in,